As gardeners, we love the mass colour that spring can bring. And one of those plants and flowers for me is Hellebores. I have loved them for years, so much so I've been adding new ones to my garden every year. They're tough, reliable, and extremely long flowering. You can expect to have them blooming from mid-winter all the way to mid to late spring, if you treat them right. Hellebores can be grown in a diverse range of soils. By adding aged compost to the soil prior to planting is always beneficial. They prefer to be grown in a shady position in the garden, and these guys love their home under these birch trees. Like most plants in the garden, Hellebores love their food, so I'm going to be using PowerFeed PRO Series for roses and flowers. And it's a liquid fertiliser, so it works really quickly in the garden. And now's a great time to be applying it. It's also a premium fertiliser, so you know it's great for your plants. For these flowers, I am going to apply the fertiliser with a standard 9-litre watering can. I'm adding 50 ml of the fertiliser into the can, that's about 2 capfuls, then filling the rest with water, and then applying it directly over the plants. How does this fertiliser work? Well, it contains extra active liquid compost, which helps improve the soil health, and it maximises the nutrient uptake for your flowers. It's also boosted with seaweed, which will stimulate healthy roots and reduces the stresses from frost, drought, and pests and diseases. Smart, huh? If you have clay soil, using this can help break the clay down over a period of time. It's also effective in reducing nutrient loss in sandy soils and has added iron, which is great for other flowering plants such as roses. It helps to unlock other nutrients so that the plants can best use them to better their growth and resistance against diseases. It will counteract yellowing leaves and will reward you with a healthier plant. It also stimulates flowers to be bigger, brighter, and more colourful than ever without excessive foliage growth. By caring for your garden and giving it a little bit of attention will give you an abundance of rewards and a mass of colour. So remember, keep your plants well watered and fed, and you can't go wrong.